Okay, I'm going to try to get my Dazzle DVC 170 to work in a Windows XP virtual machine. I'm going to start by plugging it into my Windows 10 computer, and it is recognized. And it's ready to go. So I'll start my XP virtual machine. I've loaded Pinnacle Studio and Instant DVD Recorder. Next, in the virtual machine, go up to Devices, USB, and check Pinnacle Systems DVC 170. And you can go back and make sure that it has a check mark. So I'll start by launching Studio Launcher, then clicking Pinnacle Studio Quick Start. Go up to Setup, Capture Source, click the drop-down menu, choose Dazzle, then OK. Then you can go up to Capture, and then click Start Capture at the bottom of the screen. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.